Gujarat. Brief history of Gujarat. Gujarat finds mention in ancient historical artifacts. The history of Gujarat encompasses the Indus Valley civilization. The history of Gujarat is replete with the mementos and associated artifacts of the ancient civilization. The Dravidian tribes were the original inhabitants of the region. The ancient history of Gujarat was enriched by their commercial activities. There were a succession of Hindu kingdoms, including the era of the Guptas and culminating in the reign of the Solankis. The 9th century history of Gujarat saw the emergence of the Muslims in the political arena of the state. The first Muslim conqueror was Muhammad of Ghazni, whose conquer of Somnath effectively ended the rule of the Solankis. Main cities of Gujarat. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city in Gujarat with a population of 39,13,793. The city is also known as the commercial hub of the state. Ahmedabad was the former capital of Gujarat. In the past, the city of Ahmedabad was known as the Manchester of India. The city is also one of the fastest growing business hubs. Surat. Surat is the second largest city in the state of Gujarat with a population of 33,44,135. Surat is the most popular business destinations in the world for diamond industry. Surat has also gained good business in the textile industries. Surat is one of the richest cities in Gujarat. Vadodara. Vadodara is one of the most industrialized cities in the state of Gujarat. There are a large number of industries located in the city. Vadodara, also known as Barodara, is the largest royal palace in the world, that is Lakshmi Vilas Palace. It is the third largest city in the state of Gujarat with a population of 15,13,758. Rajkot. Rajkot is the fourth largest city in Gujarat after Ahmedabad, Surat, and Baroda with a population of 13,95,026. Rajkot is also known as the capital of Saurashtra region in Gujarat. Rajkot is also ranked 22nd fastest growing city in the world. In Central Jubilee Garden are the Lang Library, with Gujarati literature, and the Watson Museum, with paintings and British rule. Bhavnagar. Bhavnagar is the fifth largest city in the state of Gujarat with a population of 7,25,630. Bhavnagar was a princely state before it was merged into the Indian Union in 1948. Bhavnagar has a large number of tourist attractions such as the Gauri Shankar Talav, Lake, Nilambog Palace and others. Jamnagar. Jamnagar is the sixth largest city in the state of Gujarat with a population of 5,92,478. Jamnagar has a large number of places to visit such as the Ranjit Singh Dam, Ranmali Lake, Joggers Park, Darbargarh Palace. Reliance Industries and SR Oil are also located in the city of Jamnagar. Best tourist attraction in Gujarat. Sun Temple. The peaceful village of Modhera is home to one of the most significant sun temples in India. Built in the 11th century by Solanki dynasty rulers, it's dedicated to Surya, the sun god. The temple is a substantial structure consisting of a carved stepped tank, assembly hall, and main shrine. Rani Ki Vav. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Rani Ki Vav is an ancient abandoned step well dating back to the 11th century. It was also constructed during the Solanki dynasty, apparently in memory of ruler Bhimdev by his widowed wife. The step well has stairs going down 7 levels, and panels containing more than 500 main sculptures and over 1,000 minor ones. Winter veggies like brijlas, surti papdi, potatoes, coconut, bananas and methi. Shrikhand is a simple and soothing Gujarati dessert made with hung curd. Dhokla is one of the most loved Gujarati snack across the country and is made in multiple ways. A fragrant rice preparation along with dal, spices, peas, potatoes and raw mangoes. It is stuffed with spices like ajwain, haldi and salt. Fafda is a quick and easy snack that you can also save during the monsoon as well. Popularly made in Gujarat, this fine and flavorful Indian bread is made from whole wheat flour kneaded with methi. A Gujarati and Rajasthani dish, dal dhokli is a comfort food also known as varan phal or chakalaya. Gujarat city consists of various international airports like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport and many more. Gujarat city consists of various railway stations like Gandhinagar Capital and many more. It is as per the vision of the Prime Minister when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat to facelift the bus terminals with facilities. Gujarat has highest crime rate of 260.48 compared to national crime rate 218.67 in 2013. Gujarat city consists of various road transportation departments like Commissioner of Transport and many more. The Gujaratis are known for their diverse cultural heritage and rich traditions. Gujarati is an Indo-Aryan language native to the Indian state of Gujarat and spoken predominantly by the Gujarati people. In its urban center of Ahmedabad is a Calico Museum of Textiles, displaying antique and modern Indian fabrics. Spiritual leader Mahatma Gandhi's base from 1917 to 1930 was Sabarmati Ashram, where his living quarters remain on view.